Over 8,500 people in the UK are admitted to hospital every year with a gardening injury, many of which are at risk of infection, all of which will probably need antibiotics. So without antibiotics at work, this beautiful, relaxing hobby that we have actually becomes a lot more dangerous. It's great to be out in the garden with you, Josh, ahead of the bank holiday weekend. It's absolutely glorious.
We could not have picked a better day to show you around, really.
What got you into gardening, Josh?
It's passed down definitely from family. So this is our old family house, so my nan and my grandpa love to be in the garden. But I think it is also that scientist within me. I love the sort of scientific approach to my cooking, but also to being in the garden as well.
I think for me, gardening is about this really beautiful interface between science and art, actually. And I mean, you just have to look around here at all the structure of these trees. They're really fabulous.
Here we go. That's those.
Yeah.
So I usually just take off these, like so. There we go.
So, what do they say? 1 billion bacteria in every handful of soil?
And we've managed to get a lot of antibiotics over the years, haven't we, from soil as well?
Haven't we just? So, after penicillin was found by Fleming, then a guy called Waxman, an agriculture student and a microbiologist, he sampled 10,000 samples of different soils to identify new antibiotics. And then our pharmaceutical companies set off a kind of golden age race. And one of the British pharmaceutical companies even asked its shareholders to send in soil samples to try and find new classes of antibiotics. It's quite incredible.
And we're still doing that to this day, aren't we? We
We
are searching the oceans and caves and forests and deserts to try and find new antibiotics.
Yes, just with modern techniques to analyse and identify them.
Thank you. So, Angela, isn't there a risk that antibiotics may stop working?
Oh, of course. Everybody, I think, knows about superbugs, don't they?
Yes.
There's bacteria, fungi, viruses that are resistant to treatment. But we've made it worse as humans. We've overused antibiotics. And of course, there's some really terrifying statistics, isn't there? By 2050, 2 million people a year will be dying from superbugs, drug-resistant infections. Sir Alexander Fleming, the discoverer of penicillin that saved millions of lives, he said you can never overdose on an antibiotic, but the really important thing to avoid is underdosing.
There is the danger that the ignorant man may easily underdose himself, and by exposing his microbes to non-lethal quantities of the drug, make them resistant.
So you create the conditions for bacteria to then multiply and mutate and get stronger and become resistant. And of course, this is what we're seeing now.
Today,
We've got this terrible environment where the tools we have to treat bacterial infections are becoming less effective over time.
Well, Angela, that all sounds a little bit grim, doesn't it, what we've been talking about? So what can be done to help?
We can trust our GPs. We should all trust our GPs to prescribe the medicines that are needed.
And if given a course of antibiotics, complete it?
Complete it. Fleming told us, complete it. Even if you feel like you've recovered, you must complete the course. In addition to making changes in our own lives, actually a major part of the solution is medical research. So of course, Josh, I work for the Medical Research Foundation, so we fund medical research, and we have been investing in research to fight these superbugs for quite a long time. We spent £4.3 million on a studentship programme. We then invested in prizes in the emerging leaders who are working in antimicrobial resistance, and more recently we've announced another £2.5 million of funding for researchers who are going to help us to fight these superbugs. Medical research is really expensive, we know that, but every donation counts. Every donation added together makes a difference to the research that we can support and also to a future without these superbugs and drug-resistant infections.